I just made these UGC ads combining the power of GPT Image 2, Claude, and Seedance 2.0. And this combination completely changes the game for AI UGC. Pictures and videos come out ultra realistic, and all you need is just a couple of prompts. Today, I'm going to show you the exact process. How to create your own AI character, generate realistic UGC videos for any product, how to clone any winning ad on the internet, and how to build a full UGC ad with B-roll shots and consistent voice across every clip. Let's get into it. The first thing we need is your AI character. So let me show you exactly how to create one from scratch and how to place it into multiple different scenes, maintaining the exact same face. As you can see, I already created this character using the exact workflow I'm about to show you. Now I'm going to build a brand new one from scratch so we can follow along step by step. So the main software I'm going to be using is called Max Fusion. So to get started, just click the first link in this video description and log in into Max Fusion. Then click New Project on the left, select Images up here, and choose the GPT Image 2 model. Now we just need to drop a prompt to generate our character. And here's the base prompt I'm gonna use. All you need to do is fill in the details inside these brackets to describe your character however you like. Now, if you already have an idea of how you want your character to look like, instead of filling these out manually, just go to Claude, drop in 2 to 3 reference images of the look that you want alongside this prompt, and Claude will give you the final ready-to-use prompt for GPT Image 2. So once you have that ready, just paste it in here, select 9:16, keep the quality at medium, and hit generate. After about 5 minutes, our base character is ready. Now we're going to place this character into multiple different scenes while maintaining the exact same face consistency. To do that, click on your base image, select Edit with Prompt, and make sure GPT Image 2 is selected. Here's the exact scene prompt I'm using. All you need to adjust is the scene and pose, outfit, hairstyle, expression, lighting, and mood. And again, you can just go to Claude, give it a quick description of the scene you want along with the base character image we just created, and ask it to complete the prompt for you. I'm going to create 3 different scenes: the model in the bathroom, then in the kitchen, and then in the living room. And here's the exact prompts I'm going to be using for each one. Make sure 9:16 for vertical format is selected and hit generate. After about 5 minutes, I have my model ready in 3 completely different scenes. And as you can see, the face consistency is identical across all of them. And that is the power of GPT Image 2. The results look ultra realistic, especially when you combine it with detailed prompting. By the way, all of the prompts I'm using throughout this video are linked in the description down below. So now that we have our AI character ready, it's time to bring her to life and turn her into actual UGC ads. To do that, we're going to use Seedance 2.0 inside Max Fusion. I'm going to generate 3 different ads, one for LED face mask, one for a skincare serum, and for the third one, I'm throwing a curveball and generating a UGC style ad for an app. So all we need to do is select one of our generated character images, click these 3 dots, and select generate video. Select the Seedance 2.0 model. Here is the exact prompt I'm using for the LED face mask video. And if you want to adapt this for your own product, just go to Claude, describe your product, drop a couple of reference images of your product, and ask it to rewrite this prompt around your product. Select 15 seconds, 9:16, select the quality, and hit generate.
I started using this for 10 minutes every night, and honestly, my skin has never looked like this. The red light targets inflammation and fine lines, and it feels like an actual spa treatment at home. I look completely unhinged wearing it, and I genuinely do not.
Wow, the video came out really well. The model starts with a hook and then cuts straight into the product demonstration. And all of the details look incredibly realistic, and honestly, nothing about this looks like AI. Now, if I wanted the product to be visible from the first frame, I would just update the prompt to include it from the start. And that is the beauty of this workflow. It's very simple and you can iterate in seconds without reshooting anything. And in case you wanted to showcase your own product, just add a reference image in the reference section and the model will place it in the video. All right, product number 2, the skincare serum. For this one, I'm going to use a different character I created earlier using the exact same framework I showed you in chapter 1, just with a different prompt details to get a completely different look for the character. Again, select one of the generated images, click generate video, select Seedance 2.0, and drop in your prompt with a hook. Here's the exact prompt I'm using for this one. Let's hit generate and see what comes out.
My esthetician literally stopped mid-appointment to ask what I had been doing differently for my skin. I have been using this one new serum for 6 weeks. That is genuinely it.
Okay, so this honestly looks like it was shot on the iPhone, and that's not a bad thing. That's actually what you want for your UGC ads. And notice how simple it was to add the product into the opening frame this time. The original character image had no product at all, and I just described it in the prompt and Seedance 2.0 placed it in her hands. Now, once you have your base character created, you can use GPT Image 2 to place her in different environments with your product. And then you can animate those scenes using Seedance 2.0 as B-roll shots. So you take this talking head video we just made, throw the B-roll shots on top, and you end up with something like this.
I have been using this one new serum for 6 weeks.
And later in this video, I'll show exactly how to build a full ad like this with perfectly consistent voice across every clip. All right, product number 3. This one is going to be UGC ad for an app. I'm going to use the same character I generated in chapter 1. Select the image, click generate video, select Seedance 2.0 and drop in the prompt.
I cannot think and take notes at the same time in meetings, so I always end up with nothing. Then I found this app. It records everything. No bots, clean, structured notes right after. I genuinely do not know how I managed without it.
And as you can see, it handles UGC videos for apps just as well. If you want the model to showcase your app, just upload a reference image of your app store page or a landing page and describe what the app does in the prompt. And just like that, we created 3 completely different UGC ads for completely different products, maintaining complete character consistency. And the best part is that Max Fusion recently changed their credit system, so now you get significantly more video generations every single month for the exact same price, which means you can create a lot more of these videos without spending anything extra. So now that you know how to quickly generate ads with your AI character, let me show you something even more powerful. Instead of coming up with ad concepts from scratch, what if you could just take any winning ad that is already proven to convert and remake it with your own character and product? That is exactly what CopyLab feature lets you to do. I found this UGC ad and I'm going to use it as a reference. All we need to do is click on CopyLab, upload the reference video and click here to start analyzing it. And just like that, we have the full video outline, which we can use as the foundation for our own ad. So using this outline, we're going to go to Claude and use this prompt. Now, as you can see, I'm asking Claude to create a full prompt featuring a product with no labels. However, if you have your own physical product, just remove that part, describe your product in full detail, and you can even attach reference images of your product directly in Claude as well. And Claude spits out the full ready-to-use prompt in seconds. Now, before we turn this into an actual ad, there's one thing we can do to make the video even more similar to the original. We can extract the exact starting frame from the reference video and place our character into it. As you can see, CopyLab already extracted the frames for this video. Let's just select one of these frames, click on these 3 dots and click add to images. Go back to images, now select UGC scene builder, drag your reference frame into scene reference and drag your AI character into actor reference. Click generate and in a few minutes we have our AI character placed in a very similar starting frame as the original video. Now we are ready to animate this into a full UGC ad. Select the generated image and click generate video. Select the Seedance 2.0 model. Now again, Max Fusion officially allows you to generate videos with Seedance 2.0 using reference images and reference audio. So if you want to use specific voice for your model, simply upload an audio file as reference. That way all of your videos stay consistent with the same voice across every ad that you generate. And to do that, make sure references is selected right here. Now paste in the full prompt generated by Claude, select the length, the quality, and make sure it's set to 9:16 vertical format. And once you have everything set, just click generate and let it run.
Okay, this hoodie, I get stopped every single time I wear it. Heavyweight cotton fleece, insanely thick and soft. The fit is oversized, but it doesn't swallow you. Worn it on repeat for weeks and it still looks brand new.
And yeah, results came out ultra realistic and high quality. Love the way she does this phone placing thing at the start. This feels very native and natural. The hand movements, the natural pauses in between the script. This is exactly what we want when making UGC ads or short form organic content in general. Now, let's say you wanted to make a bit longer video, including B-roll shots and talking head shots mixed together. Let me show you exactly how to do this. So first, I'm going to place my AI character in a few different scenes wearing the same hoodie. So I'm going to use this prompt on Claude to generate all of these scenes. And if you want to generate different scenes, just swap out my scenes with your own. I will drop this prompt together with my AI character reference images into Claude, and it gives me the ready to use prompts for each scene straight away. Now, once I have all of these different scene prompts ready, I will select create image, make sure GPT Image 2 is selected, add the full prompt and drop in the reference image. Make sure the format is vertical and hit generate. I will do this for all 5 scenes and wait a couple of minutes. And just like that, we have our character wearing the same hoodie in 5 completely different environments. And as you can see, the face and product stayed completely consistent. Now we just need to animate these for the B-roll shots. To do that, I will go back to Claude, use this prompt and drop all of the generated images. And Claude gives me 5 animation prompts ready to paste straight into Seedance 2.0. Now I go back to Max Fusion, select the first scene image and click generate video. Select Seedance 2.0, drop in the prompt, and this time instead of 15 seconds, I'm going to go with 5 seconds since these are B-roll shots. Select the quality and hit generate. I will do this for all 5 scenes and wait about 5 to 10 minutes. And just like that, we have a full library of B-roll shots ready to use. Now we just need to extend the script to fill the longer video. So we already have the intro hook from our first generation. We just need to add a second part that flows seamlessly into it. So I'm going to go back to Claude and use this prompt. And Claude gives us multiple options for the second part of the script ready to drop straight into our next generation. But before we do that, we need to clone the voice so it stays consistent across the entire ad. So let's click on our first generated video, select clone voice at the top, give it a name and click clone voice. Now go back to images, select the starting frame image again and click generate video. This time select the Riz model. This is Max Fusion's own lip syncing model which lets you use the same clone voice across all of your videos. And this is exactly why Max Fusion is so powerful. Keeping your ads consistent with the same voice is always the biggest bottleneck when working with AI video tools. Click audio script and generate speech. Then click choose voice, go to my voices and select the cloned voice we just saved. Drop in the new script that Claude generated, click save audio, write talking naturally and hit generate video.
And like the color, I was honestly not sure about it at first, but it goes with literally everything.
And just like that, we have the extended version of our ad with a perfectly consistent voice. Now, I'm going to drop the intro clip and the extended version into my editing software, throw the B-roll shots on top, and we have a finished ad ready to run on social media.
Okay, this hoodie, I get stopped every single time I wear it. Heavyweight cotton fleece, insanely thick and soft. The fit is oversized, but it doesn't swallow you. I was honestly not sure about it at first, but it goes with literally everything. I've been wearing it with black leggings, jeans, whatever, worn it on repeat for weeks, and it still looks brand new.
And you can apply this exact same process for any product you want. So as you can see, Max Fusion has everything under the hood. Character generation, scene creation, ad animation, voice cloning, and copylab to clone any winning ad. And if you sign up for Max Fusion today, you're going to get significantly more video generations every month for the exact same price. They also support multiple languages, so if you are targeting different markets, you can generate ads in any language without any extra work. In terms of which plan makes sense for you, if you're just starting out, the starter plan at $99 per month gets you around 20 talking actor videos and 50 Seedance 2.0 videos per month with access to all of the image models. And this is more than enough for you to test different ad angles and find what works. If you're running ads actively and need volume, the Pro plan at $199 a month is where I would go. You get 45 actor videos, 112 Seedance 2.0 videos, 90 Riz videos, 133 free GPT Image 2 generations, copylab, storyboard for bulk generation, and unlimited access to several other image and video models on top of that. And if you go with their annual plan, you will save an extra 22%, which works out to $77 a month on starter and $155 a month on Pro. The link to Max Fusion and all of the prompts I used throughout this video are in the description down below. If you like this video, you'll definitely enjoy this one, where I show you 3 different ways to create realistic UGC ads using Seedance 2.0. You can click here and watch it right away. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.